Okay. So this one doesn't charge. Shows it is, but it looks like it's kind of dim, doesn't it? Alright, so we're going to power this off. Take out our battery, SIM card, SD card, take out our screws. These two bottom ones will probably stay in there. It's okay, just leave them. So problem with this phone was won't charge, gets hot. These screws are all the same size, so it doesn't matter if you mix them up. And we're just going to take your fingernail, if you have one, on the side there. If you can't get it open, carefully take a razor blade right there on that seam. Just get that open there. And then you should be able to take your finger or a plastic pry tool. Careful around there so you don't knock the power button off the board, but
you lift it up and press end.
okay. There's our charging port. I'm going to take this metal clip off. There's going to be a connector here that'll lift up. It doesn't come out, it just goes underneath, and it's the menu back button and the home button cable. Here you have this bigger one that attaches here. That's going to come off. This cable you can just disconnect right there carefully. Same with this one. And then we'll just pull this connector out like that. Take our new one. You always want to test the microphone on these because they do ship bad a lot. They're notoriously are bad, so just make sure they're working. This was a Verizon phone, so it should say SCHI 545 on the connector. Okay. I can reconnect that. Reconnect this one. Reconnect this flex. Notice this doesn't have a pad on it. So we're going to take our razor blade. Cut that off. Lay that on there. We'll reconnect. Check all of our connections, make sure they're plugged in. Make sure our screw's in there. Make sure this is connected. Just looking for anything out of the ordinary up there, even though we're working down here. Okay, connect that. This should just snap back into place. If along this edge it doesn't want to snap down, that cable that runs down probably isn't in its groove. It's keeping that from sitting down all the way, so you'd have to take this frame back off and reposition it. That looks good. So we're going to put our SIM card back in. Put our memory card back in. You only want to put this in and remove it when the battery power is off. If you pull it out while the power's still on the phone, you're going to cause errors. It won't read it, or it'll stop reading it. Especially on S4s, it will most likely happen. I'm gonna put our battery in, power up. Too easy, right?
Nice quick 10-minute repair.
Has it been 10 minutes?
7.5.
Okay. There we go. Problem solved.